The construction of a new urgent care center in Saskatoon is about 25% complete. The new urgent care center is being built on the former Pleasant Hill School site at 2015 Avenue S South, near St. Paul's Hospital.
What was once just a plan on a piece of paper, it's now actually rising up out of the ground. And with it, we are seeing a stronger, a safer, and a more secure future for healthcare in this city and in our province. And I would say a more secure opportunity for families to access urgent care in the Saskatoon region.
When it opens, the urgent care center aims to help relieve pressure on the city's emergency departments.
This facility will give families a new, reliable option when care is needed quickly, but isn't necessarily life-threatening. It will mean a parent with a sick child or someone with a sprain or a broken bone can get the right care without having to wait in an emergency room. It will mean people experiencing a mental health or addictions crisis can walk in and connect with trained professionals right where they need it the most.
The new facility is being constructed in partnership with Attackagoup Cree Developments, with a long-term lease to the Saskatchewan Health Authority.
Anticipation of this first kind in Canada combines Indigenous ownership and leadership with its province support. An integrated training of Indigenous students to become healthcare professions. By linking education and frontline service delivery, the model creates a pathway of Indigenous employment in Saskatchewan's healthcare system, addressing both health, equity, and workforce shortages.
The partnership will also see Attackagoup Cree Developments redevelop the adjacent former Pleasant Hill School to provide further health-related services and educational opportunities in the community.
The facility is combined with education training through SIT will create a full circle care of opportunity where people will not only receive services but can also train and work within them. Together, these initiatives represent a model where healthcare, education, and employment are aligned.
Saskatchewan's health minister has also confirmed that operating urgent care centers 24/7 is no longer the priority, as was previously promised by the Saskatchewan Party government. The first urgent care center opened in Regina last year and has seen a number of instances of staff shortages resulting in reduced operating hours. It's typically open from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. daily.
What our focus has shifted to, instead of focusing just solely on staffing up one facility at 24/7, our focus has now shifted. We want to staff and open up more facilities right around the province, right? That really is our focus. And let me tell you why. When we look at the numbers of the presentations at both Regina General and Regina Pasco emergency rooms overnight, the numbers don't necessarily justify an urgent care center being open 24/7. So in a time of limited staffing resources, we want to focus on where it's going to have the greatest patient impact. Those are those daytime hours, those 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m.
No exact opening date has been set for the Saskatoon Urgent Care Center, but substantial completion is anticipated in fall 2026. Planning is also underway to add urgent care centers in Prince Albert, Moose Jaw, North Battleford, and a second location in both Regina and Saskatoon.